Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, I do honest reviews of stuff I actually test, no brand deals, no BS. Smash subscribe if that sounds like your kind of channel. Today I want to talk about the Apple 2026 MacBook Pro laptop with. I've bought and returned 3 of these gadgets in the past year alone. It's crazy how much you can get used to something before you realize it's just not for you. But that doesn't mean I'm not excited about this latest model. Actually, the first thing I saw when I unwrapped mine was the stunning Liquid Retina XDR display. It feels like looking at a piece of glass, honestly. Reminds me of those high-end TVs, but way more portable. The build quality is top-notch, too. It's heavy, which is good for a laptop this thin and light, and it just feels solid in your hands. I was worried that the space black finish would be too dark, but nope, it actually makes it stand out. And when you open it up, all those gorgeous lights inside. Anyway, enough about looks. The real-world test is where things get interesting. So, I had 6 people over for a dinner party and we were all working on different projects simultaneously. The MacBook Pro handled everything really smoothly, from editing videos to writing documents with ease. And the battery life? Unreal. It was still going strong when everyone else had to leave. After 2 weeks of daily use, I noticed one minor quirk that drove me slightly crazy. The keyboard backlighting wasn't as evenly distributed as some other laptops I've used. But honestly, it's a tiny thing compared to all the good stuff this laptop does. If you're the type who needs a laptop that can keep up with your every creative whim and then some, this is for you. However, if you're renting or don't want to invest in a new Mac just yet, there are plenty of other options out there that won't break the bank. So, what's my take on it? Honestly, I think it's worth every penny of that $600 price tag. In fact, I'd say it's more than fair, especially considering how well it handles AI tasks, and with its 1TB SSD, all-day battery life is a given. Links in the description if you want to grab one yourself. And if this helped, hit subscribe. I put one of these out every week. See you in the next one.